Are you sure this is how we're supposed to play? I don't think this is right.
Pretty sure. Hold still.
You know what? This is making me very nervous. Can we just get down to business, please? Hi, my name is Leslie Lanevsky, and I'm with Catalogs.com. And on today's episode of Will It Sell, we are featuring an electronic dartboard. What's special about this dartboard is that it allows up to 8 players, 26 different games, and 193 options. And it's laser, so it has an electronic scoreboard.
193? I can't even count that high.
We know that you can't count that high, but most people can.
Oh, wow.
It includes an LCD display for accurate scorekeeping.
LCD, what does that stand for?
And it can run off of AC adapter or batteries, so you can take this to a portable picnic and have fun. It comes with steel darts. Let's just take this out of my little apple. Comes with steel darts, and I might add they're quite sharp.
Very sharp. Oh, no!
And it is from Mueller Recreation Products. The cost of the product is $119.95. So I ask you, the consumers, will this electronic laser dartboard sell? Go to Catalogs.com and cast your vote today.
That really hurt.